Today we're going to be taking a walk through Dollar Tree to see what we can make for $1 using our Cricut machine. Our first stop is the kitchen items. We can look at the oven mitts, the hot pad holders, and the towels. With these, we are able to cut out our vinyl and iron it onto these to make some awesome personalized gifts. These make great gifts for Christmas, wedding showers, maybe even a baby shower, and birthdays. Our next stop is storage. Here we find bins of many kinds and colors that we can use to make a plethora of things. Teachers can use this to make reading bins, we can make storage for our kitchen, and even storage for our kids' play. Here we see some pencil boxes. With these pencil boxes, we are able to personalize them with names, so they don't get mixed up with other kids in the classroom. You can even give these as a gift to students or children. Now let's take a look in the candle section. Here we see votives of many colors. We can use these votives along with our vinyl to make personalized gifts as well. Here we see give thanks, we see be beautiful, and even some pumpkin little candles. These can be used for wedding showers, baby showers, and many other things. Next, we're going to take a walk through our chalkboard section. Here we see two different types of chalkboard. One is a little 4-piece set, and the next is a standard size. With these chalkboards, we are able to do Christmas countdowns, kitchen decoration, different signs, and wall decor. Next, we have clipboards. These clipboards make the perfect gift for students and teachers. We're able to personalize them with names and whatever the recipient is interested in. Next, we're going to take a walk through the picture frame section. There are many different shapes, sizes, and colors of picture frames at the Dollar Tree. Picture this. You can make a plethora of signs, different family crests. You can even make flower boxes and different gifts for people. Next, we see some toothbrush holders, soap dispensers, a soap dish, and maybe even a lotion container. With these, you are able to make homemade labels that make your bathroom unique and stand out. Then we have our t-shirt section. There are many different t-shirts at the Dollar Tree. These are all great for either practicing or making your own t-shirt to wear. These are great because they're so customizable and easy to do. Take a look at my video on how to cut and apply vinyl iron-ons. The next section we're going to take a walk through are the vases and the flowers. These make the perfect do-it-yourself gifts for Mother's Day, Valentine's Day, and really any gift anytime. You can cut any vinyl and attach it to these vases and make it the perfect personalized gift for your loved one. Then we have our welcome mats. I was unaware that Dollar Tree sells these mats until I was doing my walkthrough, and these make a great welcome gift, a hello, goodbye, different personalized saying on these that make your home feel welcome. Alright, that concludes our walkthrough of Dollar Tree for today. Thank you for watching. I'm looking forward to giving you some more tips and hacks that you can use along your Cricut journey.